Hi friends, welcome back. Today we're making strawberry mango wine. This is gonna take 1 year, so you have to be very patient. So I have a few strawberries from the garden that I've collected and I've frozen and I have them here in these containers. And what I'm doing is I'm gonna do about a 2-gallon batch. I have this 2-gallon container here and it's very simple. What you wanna do is boil some water and add some sugar to it. I'm probably gonna be adding about 3 pounds of sugar to a gallon of water. And then I'm gonna mash up these strawberries. I'm gonna be using 3 pounds of fruit and 3 pounds of sugar, and it's gonna be about 2 gallons worth of water. I have my fermenter here that is a 2-gallon batch, so I'm actually doing 1.75 gallons of water. Once all of it is cool, I'm gonna add my yeast. I have my yeast right over here. I have my yeast here. This is the Premier Classic. So I'm gonna be using this one. This is enough for 5 gallons, so I'm just gonna be using half of this packet. So you wanna boil your mixture to kind of get rid of any wild yeasts. That way you start with a fresh, clean must, and you're gonna be putting this when it stops boiling. You're gonna put it into your container. I have some water here that I'm just gonna be mixing this with, and I'm gonna be taking a hydrometer reader. So after you've added your mash of fruit into the water, you can put your mash into your hydrometer. This is to measure the potential alcohol content. You wanna aim for 1.9, which is exactly what I am in right now, 1.9. This will give me a potential yield of alcohol content of about 13%. So my liquid has been cooling for about 2 hours and it's reading about 100 degrees now. So I'm gonna add my yeast. All I did is add the half a packet of yeast into this container with water, and then I'm just gonna add it into my fermentation vessel here. And I kinda wanna get all that yeast in there. So swirl it around and throw it in. It smells delicious. Here we go. Here goes nothing. So I've made some notes for myself. I made a note of when I'm making this. The initial hydrometer reader is of 1.90, and then I'm gonna wait a year to ferment this. Now all I have to do is put the lid on this bad boy, and I have the airlock already set here, and this will start bubbling in a few hours. And now the waiting begins. 1 year until we can drink this beautiful wine. Make sure that you're following me so that you can see the updates on this wine. And if you came here from TikTok, let me know down in the comments if you came over here from TikTok. I want to know how this is going between people coming from TikTok to here and people from YouTube going to TikTok. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to the channel. See you on the next one.